Well, good morning, everybody. It's going to be a busy day. Shane, you're getting a hold of our contact with Bahamas for the airport rollout again, right? To get that professional in with us. A little more training. Investor comes in at 9:30, which is only in a couple of minutes now. We're going to walk him through a little bit more of what we're working on. The advertising agency is at 10 o'clock sharp, so we're really tight on time today. 2 o'clock is the LED trucks in Las Vegas. They get lit up. So RV, I'm going to be working with you from about noon and on, working through some content for the LED truck because we want to wow them out of the gate, right? We want to put up a few things like, wow, this is really cool. We want to thank some of the companies that are in our tech stack as well. The ad exchange, Shane, you know about that. Contact there that they're super stoked to get the equipment, but we got to get the equipment from our distributor in Las Vegas because that's, I think, the fastest one to get that rush overnight shipped to the ad exchange. Okay. Emergency notification. Rolly's been working on that clock. That's with our contact that has spearheaded the demo rooms for the emergency notification signage and system in the US. And we're going to work with that content live with them. Okay. Mm-hmm. And university, they've already approved it. They've already tried to pay, but they put in the wrong card. Okay. So yeah. We're going to follow up with them and just say, hey, card's already on file because you approved this. We presume this is good to go. So we're going to proceed with that. The hockey team, you need to follow up with them and just let our contact there know that we're just going to be daily contact because we need to start shipping equipment for testing everything for mass market, right? Okay, billboard, you know about that one, Shane. We have already sent the quote off to the billboard owner, and we need to get them into a call with us. I'll try reaching back to them as well today, okay? The stick that goes from our distributor in Toronto out to that city in Ontario. Shane, you introduced the two of them. The city has replied back to him, but he has not replied back. Also, he can't send it off because the city has not given the mailing address for the location to ship to yet. So I need you to remind her that, hey, we need to call with Jeremiah. Can you please give us your full proper mailing address? The reason is that rec center, the exact name of that rec center is in two places. There are two that have the exact same name. So we want to make sure we get it right. The hardware doesn't go to the wrong place, okay? Last one is deal cleanup. Because of the volume of stuff that's going to be hitting us here, anything that is kind of like a half-baked project, somebody has half of an idea they want to proceed with us, or they haven't responded back in a timely fashion, we have to start wrapping up those outstanding deals. Just, we got to let people know, here's our time. You know, if you want to do stuff with us, move ahead. But we have to clean all of our desks to get ready for the volume once the press releases start going out. Everybody understand? Okay. Yeah. So here's today's test. Woohoo! Let's get into the test. So Rolly's sign. Okay, that's sitting here in the camera shot, right, Rolly? Now, Rolly's done here. Is one on mute for a second, Rolly? Thanks. He's made this design here where we've got the clock. He's got some cool content in the background. I'm clicking on show all controls just so I can play the video to show it off. And what he's going to do is he's going to work with RV here to just slide all of this stuff off of the layout. Okay, Rolly? So you're going to take time and date, you're going to take that gradient there, you're going to take the weather, and just move it down. It's really simple. It can still be part of the layout, just doesn't have to be on the visible section of the design. Okay? And then what I'm going to have you do is take the clock, double check, make sure it's dead center, and increase the size of it, I'd say, by about half again. Because the concept with this is to make it just a nice, elegant thing that a school would put in the hallway that is, in fact, the emergency notification system. Everybody understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So here goes the test for the day. Okay, we're going to send off an alert. Come on. Oh, yeah, should click on new alert. Sorry, guys. Okay. New alert. This is not the system. This is me being slow today, by the way. Okay. Fire, exercise, actual, target 2908. Scroll out a little bit and saving in 3, 2, 1, clicking on save. Now, how fast did your screen change there, Rolly?
Fast, with a blink and a eye.
Fast. Real time, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So we're going to go into the alert now. And we're going to get rid of the alert in 3, 2, 1, hitting delete now. So for anybody watching this video, that's what we're up to. We've been perfecting the emergency notification signage. The system has taken years to build, but we've done it to the point where I can send out an emergency alert to the other side of the planet in like 0.2 of a second. I'm in Mexico. Rolly is in southern tip of the Philippines. This is the emergency notification signage system now built. Everybody have a great day. It's 9:32. The investor is going to be coming now. So stop recording, please post.